Hello children, in today's class we are going to discuss the different types of decimals. Like and unlike decimals. The decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. As we know, in a decimal number we have two parts, the decimal part and the whole part. So, the decimal numbers in which the number of digits in decimal part are equal, they are called as like decimals. For example, 2.5, 3.8. As you can see, the number of decimal place in this number is 1 and number of decimal place in this number also is 1. There is one digit after decimal in both the numbers. So they are like decimals. The decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. So if the number of decimal places are different in all the numbers, they are called as unlike decimal. As you can see in the examples, in the first number we have two decimal digits. In the second one there are three digits after decimal, and in the third number only one digit is there. So in all the numbers, number of digits after decimal are unequal. So they are unlike decimals. Decimals that have same value are called as equivalent decimal. Take one whole and divide it into 100 equal parts. Take 70 parts out of 100. So it will form a fraction 70 upon 100, which we name it as 70 hundredth. So this 70 hundredth is equals to 0.70 in decimal form. Now take one whole and divide it into 10 equal parts. Take 7 parts out of 10. So the fraction for this number will be 7 upon 10 or 7/10, which will be equals to 0.7. But you can see the value of both are equal. You can see the number of shaded parts, the proportion of shaded part in the both figures are same. They both have same value, which means that if we add 0 at the extreme right place of any decimal, that does not change the value of the decimal, which means 0.70 and 0.7 both are equal since the 0 does not have any value. So all the decimal places, if they have 0 at the extreme right of it, they all have same value and called as equivalent decimals. To convert unlike decimals into like decimals, we have to form the equivalent decimals of the given unlike decimal. In this question, as you can see, three decimal numbers are given to us: 3.8, 43.25 and 5.637. So here number of digits after decimal is 1. The next one, 2 digits are there, and in the last one 3 digits are there. So what we have to do, as this number is having the largest decimal places, so we have to convert 3.8 and 43.25 into their equivalent decimals with 3 decimal places. So here it will be written as 3.8. One digit is there, we have to add two more zeros at the extreme right of it. So 3.8 will be equals to 3.800. Similarly, 43.25, two digits are already there, we have to add one more digit, so it can be written as 43.250, and in the last one we already have three digits, so it will be written as it is. Therefore 3.800, 43.250 and 5.637. They all are like decimals now. If we have to compare the decimal numbers, we compare the whole number parts first. The number with greater whole number part is greater. So if two numbers are given to us, 12.1 and 15.8, we have to compare the whole number parts in these two numbers. So you can see in the first number, whole number part is 12, and in the second one, whole part is 15. As 15 is greater than 12, which means 15.8 is greater than 12.1. If the whole number parts are same, 10th digit. Now if in any number we have the whole number parts same, for example 3.5 and 3.8, you can see the whole number part of both the numbers are equal, that is 3. Then we have to compare the 10th digit. So 10th digit in first number is 5 and in the next number is 8. So 8 is greater than 5, which means 3.8 is greater than 3.5. If the 10th digits are also same, compare the 100th digit. So in any number, 10th digit is also same. So 2.15 and 2.19. Two numbers are given to us. In these two numbers, whole number part are equal. 10th digits are also same. So we have to compare the 100th digit. So in first number 100th digit is 5 and in second number 100th digit is 9. As 9 is greater than 5, which means 2.19 is greater than 2.15. Similarly, we can compare the decimals with larger places also. Now we have to arrange the given numbers in decreasing order. So the numbers given to us are 12.113, 12.114 and 21.311. In these three numbers, you can see two numbers are having whole part 12 and one number, the whole part is 21. So this number is the largest one. Write this number first, 21.311. Now we have to compare 12.113 and 12.114. So in whole number part, the numbers 12 are equal. So we will compare the 10th digit. In first number 10th digit is 1. In the other one also 10th digit is 1. Come to 100th digit. Here again we have 1 at 100th digit. The other one at 100th place we have 1. So compare the 1000th place now. In 1000th place we have 3 in the first number and 4 in the next number. 4 is greater than 3, which means 12.114 is greater. So 12.114 and then the smallest one is 12.113.